Struggling to find the right microscope for your studies? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, UArt's Kids Microscope Kit. First up is the UArt's 58-piece Kids Microscope Kit, priced at $37.99. This caught my eye because it's not just a microscope. It's a whole exploration kit designed for kids ages 5 to 12. If you want to spark your child's curiosity about biology, this is worth a serious look. The UArt's microscope offers magnifications of 100x, 400x, and 1200x, allowing young scientists to observe everything from tiny organisms to detailed plant structures. This is perfect for kids who are just starting to explore the world of science. Plus, it comes with 44 accessories, including prepped slides, blank slides, and tools like tweezers and droppers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having all these pieces means your child won't just look at slides. They'll learn how to prepare their own, fostering a hands-on approach to learning. Now, some parents mentioned that the setup can be a bit tricky for younger kids. Here's the thing though, while it might take a few minutes to get everything arranged, the educational value and engagement it brings make it entirely worth it. Plus, it's great for family bonding time. Product number 2, Pali Partners Compound Microscope. Next up, we have the Pali Partners Compound Microscope, priced at $109.99. What caught my attention here is its professional-grade features designed for older students and lab use. If you want a solid, reliable microscope for serious study, this is a great option. This microscope boasts a magnification range of 100x to 2000x, which is fantastic for observing intricate details in cell structures. The dual LED lights provide excellent illumination, ensuring clear images no matter the sample type. The 52-piece accessory kit, including slides and a phone adapter, means you can easily share your findings with friends or teachers. Here's why this matters for you. Having a phone adapter lets you document your discoveries, which is super helpful for reports or presentations. However, some users found it a bit heavier than expected for portable use. Now, here's my perspective. If you plan to primarily use it in a lab or at home, the weight isn't an issue. But if you're looking for something to carry around for field trips, this might not be the best fit. Product number 3, Herwickham Microscope. Now, let's check out the Herwickham Microscope, priced at $49.99. This option caught my attention because it offers an impressive magnification range of 40x to 2000x. If you want a balance between price and functionality, this is definitely worth considering. One of the standout features here is the inclusion of multiple objective lenses, allowing you to easily switch between magnifications for various specimen types. The adjustable viewing angle is a nice touch, making it comfortable for different users and environments. This matters because it ensures that you won't be straining your neck while trying to observe your samples. Plus, it comes with a beginner experiment set, which is perfect for students wanting to dive right into practical learning. However, some feedback noted that the quality of the slides could be better. But here's the thing. The microscope itself performs well, and you can always invest in better slides later. The learning experience with this kit is definitely worth it. This is perfect for students who are just starting out and want something that offers a bit of everything without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a professional-grade microscope, as it's more of an entry-level option. For the price, it's a good deal. Product number 4, Palobil Microscope Kit. Next is the Palobil Microscope Kit, priced at $59.97. This one piqued my interest because it's designed for both kids and adults, making it a versatile choice. If you want a microscope that grows with your learning, this is worth considering. This model offers 6 magnification settings from 100x to 2000x, making it easy to observe a wide variety of specimens. The adjustable dual LED light is another fantastic feature, providing optimal brightness for whatever you're studying. This is important because clear images are crucial for understanding complex biological structures. The complete accessory kit means you can get started right away without needing to purchase additional items. Some users did mention that it requires batteries, which can be a hassle if you forget to stock up. But honestly, the ability to use it with an AC adapter is a great backup. So while the battery requirement might be a small inconvenience, it doesn't detract significantly from its overall usability. This is perfect for anyone wanting a reliable microscope for school projects or casual observation. However, skip this if you prefer a more compact model for travel. It offers great value for the features provided. Product number 5. J-Cone High Power Compound Microscope. Lastly, we have the J-Cone High Power Compound Microscope, also priced at $49.99. I was drawn to this one because of its lightweight design, making it easy to carry around. If portability is important to you, this is a solid pick. With magnifications ranging from 40x to 2000x, it's versatile enough for various educational needs. The built-in adjustable LED light ensures you get clear images, even in darker environments, which is a game changer for outdoor explorations or dim classrooms. Plus, it comes with all the necessary accessories, including multiple objective lenses and slides, so you're fully equipped right out of the box. However, some users noted that the build quality isn't as sturdy as other models. Here's the thing though. For something that's meant to be lightweight and portable, a slightly lower build quality is expected. As long as you handle it with care, it should serve you well. This is perfect for students and families looking for a portable microscope that encourages exploration. But skip it if you need something for intensive lab work where durability is key. For the price point, it's a fantastic option for budding scientists. To wrap it up, we've seen a range of options. The UA Arts Kids Microscope for younger explorers, the Pally Partners for serious study, the Herwicum for budget-conscious beginners, the Polobal for versatile learners, and the J-Cone for portability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Pally Partners because it offers the best combination of features and quality for serious students. Avoid the Herwicum if you're looking for something ultra durable for lab use, as it's more of an entry-level tool. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.